Welcome to Leggari Products. We're going to show you how to get this look with the black base and white highlights. Check out how easy this process was.
Okay, we're on the base coat stage. Everything's been prepped, counters have been prepped, floor's been prepped, primer's down. It's been about half hour, 45 minutes. It's tacky, it's not pulling up anything on our gloves, so we're ready to go. Obviously, temperature can affect the dry time on that, and if it's colder, it might take a little longer. It's really hot in the warehouse, so 45 minutes, we're ready to go. So I got my base coat mixed up. All right, now we're gonna take our 3/8 snap roller. We've de-shedded it, we've wrapped taped on it, we've got all the loose hairs off, and all we're gonna do is just move this product up and down. All right, now we'll start pushing it right to the edge. Again, I'm not trying to push the product over, just trying to coat right to these edges. Some spots are gonna start dripping now, so just keep your feet away from underneath your counters. We're gonna start our edges. When you guys get to that point, whoever's doing your highlights, make sure they mix up the highlights when you start your edges. That way when you're done, your highlights are ready to be applied. Doing a skinny vein kind of marble effect. We're going to be using white. Best way to do this is just let it drizzle off the paint stick. And again, we can add more veins. You can't really take them away, so if you want small amounts, start out with small amounts. And again, you can always add more to it. All we're gonna do is just run across the surface with the squeegee, keep it at a low angle, and we just wanna kind of blend this in a little. We don't wanna over blend it to where it disappears. You can follow the vein pattern, or you can just go random. I like to go random, it's a lot faster, and it still looks really good when you're done. Now we'll take our isopropyl, we'll just spritz the surface. We want to get small little drops on it, and this is going to create some really cool effects.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. That was kit number 22. Remember, our kits are DIY friendly, so if you want a custom kit, click on the link below to purchase yours today. Don't forget, subscribe to our channel, click on that notification bell so you don't miss any of our projects coming up. We'll see you guys next time.